Mwancho morigereria bwensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi kurwanda onsi yasore ne weekend engiya kegemanko gokwania nukugenda kwane na mbiyole stariki ni Isano ne mumutinyino yo kyando mwaka wechilifu Ibere 2025 kingo kwarigane tuyanyore Amayia ye Chinsa Isano ne bere chiabono mubaso asenchera yobwenge ikaranso ikeli etariane Ishmael Mogere. Okoborwa niko kwarure gochiase abagendi chigari nabo igo abechi pigipigi na mono ekero bare ase okwerigeri gose ase obo sombi para iriko kyanya emebasokano ye chipara nabo igo korenda amagima ya bari ababogoreti nabo igo ase amagima abo
egaki asabagendi baitu bari para igango turenda maisha y'abantu bandi mumuro yorarire n'umwana omokena arorire otigira abantu abake timaiti ngo gocha kubarenda gochimutu abura nyasaye naro
lakini mtu abagusi totene namo tuwate siyo mintu kitua manyore na nero sokire kurugusi okobori bo president
etobwate ji function Ibere Kenya ntobwate matiani togatwara na Ruto ngai mota etembo orikoru ngomota etembe na matiani ozenduto
gotigana na iyo basombi omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati oenanire uniform chinyego chia sabasikari be county nabo igo ebinto byoko byo muziki buna chitarumbeta chikonu negatie ebinto ebinge ebibirachi gotumekwa asogo sasokia emiyega ye county gokwana emiyege ti ya Kisii mugabana nigatebere buna nigo aimogetie getambokero gyo kwana na uniform icho konyora chia bagoteire buni nchira yemo yokubwata gose yokubwata abasikari abo batari be county abo batari kubeka uniform icho
your county enforcement officers and officials or official launch of Kisii County Enforcement 1. Today, we issue all the 368 enforcement officers with 2 sets of uniform, a pullover, boots, battery, belts, and traffic marshal will be given umbrellas, reflectors, and jackets. Every guide is entered according the officer's comfort and begins in their areas of work, as well restoring confidence and identify as they discharge their duties. The issuance of these new uniforms is among the reforms the Kisii County government through the Department of Administration has embarked on to uplift the welfare of
Omokonyi bumurai wense Professor Kithure Kindiki otebrense ya Kenya nigaira semeroberio yogotingia obwamate nense ya Algeria nigo Kindiki nigatebire obwamate obwo nigo borache gutingia obwamatane na soko igora esabari echindege guchia se ense yo egento keguchia kwororobya obosombi na boigo gukinya uchumi yense ya Kenya Kindiki nigaya kwanaya asetaro yae imeyense ya Algeria.
Algeria is keen to opening up more to Kenya and other African countries in trade. And going forward, we're going to firm up our relations in a meeting to be held in Nairobi in November so that we can start exporting many of our products here. And they are keen to buy our coffee, to buy our tea, to buy our meat, to buy our powdered milk, to buy our avocado, our citrus fruits. We just need to firm up the trade agreements. That's why the trade minister is here, and there's a joint commission for cooperation to take place in November firm up some of the discussions we are having. We are also working towards operationalizing direct flights between Algiers and Nairobi to facilitate movement, because today many people who want to come to Algiers have to go through Middle East or through Europe, which is not very tidy, and therefore the air services will ease movement of people and goods and also promote people to people ties. And then the trade will also even cement our relationship. The education programs, we are going to make them mutual so that again we build on our relationship with Algeria.
Gotigana nayo omo waziri bw'oburendi bw'ime Kipchumba Murkomen nigayenekire muna serikali nigo yachakirie kubekemero berio erikorwania mariogo gusamarwa na mariogo yo gutindia ayo atancheri imeyense erikorenda ekegori giankyo kagokwana ensemo ya Mbale county ya Vihiga nigo aburirie kera oyomo koimokerera igoro erikoenekyo muroberi oyo ngwikira nori boronge asengencho serikali yoka tekonyara korenda guse tekonyara wikirani ayaigonsi.
Of course, as everybody knows across the country, that one of the biggest challenges here is marijuana. Unfortunately, we have normalized conversation, particularly in the Luanda area. It's become like it's a common normal issue, you know, because it's been socialized within the society for many years. And we need something more than operations. We need a societal change and acceptance that this issue of drug abuse is generating one of the biggest crises in this county and the country. Some of the most affected citizens with mental health, particularly in our mental health institutions, come from this county as a result of abuse of drugs. And therefore, we cannot just talk about enforcement. It must go beyond that. We must do societal sensitization, sitting with the churches, sitting with our county commissioners and our chiefs, assistant chiefs. We must find a lasting solution that is long-term. We must also look at the long-term impact in so far as school dropouts, unemployment, and other challenges that affecting society. In fact, the prevalence of some of the high crimes here are directly related to drug abuse and drug and alcohol abuse. And some of these crimes are really very prevalent here, particularly murder. Murder is cases of murder are very high here, fueled also not just by the alcohol and drug abuse, but also land disputes.
Mo waziri Kipchumba Murkomen boigo nigo asingirire buna abamenyi bensemo ya Mandera nigo bare no borendi boisaine kubwatikana n'ekisegi chintindi ekigenderete egati abanajeshi bense ya Somalia ekiombekeri kya Al-Shabaab abanajeshi korwa ensemo ya Juba ukora kure county ya Kakamega. Murkomen nigaba mo chiribororo abarayibari bakoyamerera serikali asekiribuna nigo baunchoire ngani yo na konyakora engana yege siasa egentate birikiraachie goturubania omorembe imiensi yetu ya Kenya.
Wanaenda kuongea huko nje kiolela mambo ya usalama. Wanatafutia siasa ya pesa nani mambo ya usalama. Kweli tumekuwa na bahati mbaya kwamba watu kama hawa wamewahi kukaa kwa National Security Council. You know, mtu umewahi kukaa kwa National Security Committee. You know, huwezi enda kuongea kiolela mambo ya uongo ili kuharibia nchi yako. Mimi nataka kusema hapa wazi, Kenya is not under any threat from Somalia or any regional force from Somalia. The only threat we face as a country is the threat of Al-Shabaab.
Goikerabuo ayuabu atakaine nobore nekruwe county gusikura nsemo ya Mandera na tuwekero mwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mubaso asenchira yo bwenga gendera gotengera Ensoko TV boroso bwomugusie miroberera chikubwatia gochakira Chinsa Isano na isato chia bono mubaso me ayabatkene ne chigosoli na boigo na yandara gendera gwika botuko gati gendera gotwaro mubaso muya erietaliane Ishmael Mogere.